brand failures are inevitable, so knowing how to address them is essential. When something goes wrong, many customers share their experiences on social media. In response, brands increasingly turn to these platforms to address the issue. Because these responses are public, brands face extra pressure to get them right. To smooth things over, brands are increasingly using emojis in their communication. But do emojis actually help after a failure? And if so, which ones work best? To answer these questions, researchers from the United States and Canada conducted 5 studies. They found that emojis with low perceived movement are more effective at restoring trust and loyalty after a brand failure. However, using too many emojis can backfire, reducing trust and customer loyalty. The impact of emojis also depends on how brands respond. Emojis with low perceived movement work best with apologies, whereas those with high perceived movement are the most effective when the response includes compensation. If you want to know more about this topic, check out the article in Journal of Service Research.